What's up, YouTube? Today we are gonna do an unboxing video, and do you notice me? I took a haircut. Okay, so comment down below if it's great. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox a toy train in a tin. Okay, so the last time I went to the mall is today. So I went to the mall, then I went to the bookstore, then I saw this toy train in a tin, and I said, "Ooh, this is cool. I should buy it." So yes, and I bought it, and I want to make a video with it. So I'm here with the toy in the tin. Okay. So I didn't even open this, so let's see. Okay, so in the front it says toy in a tin. Then we have a train, and it says includes caboose, coal car, cargo car, working locomotive, and 12-piece overcrack set. So let's open this up. Okay, so we have some instructions. The caboose, the cargo car, the coal car. We have 12-piece oval track set. We have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, about 6 right here and 6 right here. Okay. Then finally we have a tray. Then also I have batteries here. I have a battery. So it says battery powered. So I have a battery here. So let's do this. So let's see our instructions. Okay. So the ends of each track are different. Insert one end of a track piece into the opposite type of end of another track piece to join them. Continue until all pieces are connected. The track is made so that it forms an oval which consists of 3 curved pieces on each end with 6 pieces of straight track between the 2 ends. I'm right. 6 right here and 6 right here. Okay, now we have, here's the battery one. So here's the battery. Remove the housing of the train engine by squeezing the 2 red tabs below the metal engine stack and insert a AA size battery like this. Okay, so it says open this. Then so we want it to be like this. We want it to be like this, going right here, and this going right here. We don't want any things. Back battery thing. Back train. So I tried it this time. I tried it the last time, and I put it the wrong way. But it still works. I just put it in the wrong way. And it said, when I put it back, it did this. But we want our train to be like this. So we have that. Now, let's close our tin thing. Train. Close the train up. Like this. Like this. Then we have to connect the train cars and insert the hoops of one end of the car over the peg of the next car. So I already read the instructions. I already played with it. So 2 of these I put tape on the thing right here to lift these pegs up because when I did it, they are going down. Now they are going up because I put tape force. So we have our 6 piece here. We have here. And maybe I could make another video of cool stuff video. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna do that. So right there, like this. So you have our 3 things right there. And let's make it. So let's go on the floor. Hey guys, I'm in my floor now. I'm back in my floor. And now we're gonna make our terrain. So let me make it and just be right back. Now that we have our track done, right there's our track, right here, there, we're gonna do our terrain. So we're terrain here, and it says see this metal part, you turn it to the left and it will be on. No, to the right and it will be on. And if you turn it to the left, it will be off. So let's try it. Up, it's doing it, guys. It's on. Let's turn that off. Right there. So let's put it right here. Let's just test it. Right there. There, right here we have this. We put it right over here. We have our car. No, our tank car. This is a cargo car. So we have our there. We also have our mine car. There, let's turn it on. Okay. Yo! That's really cool. Watch. Stop. No. My train come. The train fell. No. We need to fix. We need to get some technical difficulties here. Psych. It's not technical difficulties. Our train just fell. We're still the same thing in real life. Technical difficulties of that train. So the difficulties is we need to dang it more. There. Yo! It's doing it. Roll some cinematics. La la, tôi quen, and a tên. Oh, thank you, cinematics. And now it's time to have some fun. Now we are done with our fun. I like this thing. Okay, thank you Lord for buying that. So am I here? So I bought that in Books-A-Million, Florida. So I bought that in Books-A-Million. If you know the Books-A-Million store is it's a bookstore and some toys. Some toys, but all this books. But some toys. And I bought that. I also bought a book. So, just to tell you, I have some fun here. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, and don't forget to remember yourself. Peace!